Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell. Today's measurements are 30 inches for the weight and 41 inches for the length of the fabric. It should be 2-meter fabric. Fold your fabric in 4 layers and mark 3 inches for the neck. And for shoulder and sleeves togetherly 21 inches if you want to add the trim directly on the fabric. Now we are done with the sleeves and neck, so you can cut it and see how it looks like. Sorry for the brightness of the video, it was very cloudy day. Now we're going to open the ending edge of this poncho. Now take only one piece of the fabric and then fold it into half. Cut it from the middle point to open front. Now we are going to cut front neck deeper. Take it 15 inches and after marking, cut it. But it's up to your choice, you can make it more deeper. Now stitching has started. Take one part of the front and attach shoulders with each other. Place back on the fabric and then connect the shoulders with each other. This is for the right shoulder, and do the same thing for the other shoulder as well. And now I'm going to connect sides band with each other. Its weight is 2 inches and its length is according to the length of front sides. You should get it a little bit longer, and then after attaching you will know how much should be deducted. And now I'm going to add these decorations at both sides of this poncho, but don't forget to deduct some 5 inches from both sides of that I didn't do it earlier. And that's it. These are the sides with trims. And now it's the time to attach these trims at the ending of this poncho for the both sides, front plus back. Go through all the front part. And finally I'm going to create holes for the belt Its destination from shoulder should be 14.5 inch. Mark it correctly. And also destination from buns should be 12 inch for both sides. Now use a pen to mark it for other side as well. Now take 4 pieces of the fabric like them. Create straight lines on them and then place it directly on the marked area and stitch it roundwise. Yes, now it's done. Now I'm using a scissor to create holes for the belt. Use a small scissor to cut it out. Turn it into the wrong side and then iron it and stitch all areas near to that hole, and you can go through same process for other 3 remaining holes as well. And after doing the same processes for all of these 4 holes, we are done, and these are how it looks like. The last thing is to insert belt inside of these holes, and this is the ending look of this poncho. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.